No cap. Bro, I'm fucking cute, my nigga. Oh my gosh. Head ass. Head ass. Nah. This video finna be real great though. Like, we out here, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful day, you know, get the scenery, my brother, you know what I'm saying? Nice people with it.
Nice people out here. Dogs.
It's our first time out here too. It's a nice little spot.
Drove 30 minutes to be out here for the first time.
Yes, man.
And gas prices are high.
Hey, get this. Hey, excuse me, I got one question. Hey, excuse me, y'all.
Excuse me.
I have one question. All right. So my fashion sense.
I'm sorry, what was that?
My fashion. What would you rate my fashion out of 10? Out of 10, what would y'all rate?
Pants are really cool. I'd give it a 9.
Ooh! A 9 out of 10. You're great.
I would, because of those pants.
Oh yeah, we fly, we fleece.
Mm-hmm.
She love it.
Hey,
Yeah.
grandma
Thank
could be
you.
my grandma.
No, that's respect.
Thank you so much.
What about you, sir? Out of 10?
0 out of 10.
I gotta hear it coming from a dude, you know? Come on, man.
Rate his
Oh.
choice of fashion from 0 to 10. And look at those pants.
Yeah,
Okay, so how would you rate his fashion choices?
it's great.
Okay,
Ooh.
1 to 10.
Oh, 9.5.
Ooh! Okay.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank
I
you.
love those pants.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate that. Hey, y'all have a good day.
Yes. You have a great day.
It's been decided. ZA3K is the chosen one, you know what I'm saying? We got the old heads loving the drip. They love the kid.
Come on, man.
We got the youngins loving the kid. You
Come
know
on,
what I'm saying?
man.
What we got it? Hold on. We gotta get the camera guy. Hold on, man. Hold on. Yeah. Look at the guys, man.
You know what I'm saying? Dripping. You know what I'm saying? Look. We ain't even asked them about my drip because
Right.
we already know.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
look, you know what I'm saying? We really got to thank Zay3, because you know what I'm saying? Look,
Right.
he the drip guy. What you
Right.
mean?
Come on now.
You see the scarf?
Right.
You see the scarf? Come on,
gang.
man. Come on,
If
man.
y'all don't agree with this elderly couple, it's only one solution, bro. It's only one solution.
Got throw him in the lake?
I mean, I was gonna say we could scrap this shit. That sound better, you know what I'm
You know what I'm
saying?
saying?
You know?
Yeah, you know? Yeah.
Alright, fuck it then.
Fuck it.
Hell yeah.
Bro, white dude, bro. And like he was, I would say he was cool. Like bro had white friends and shit, but like he was decent enough to live with. You know what I'm saying? And us not to have to get on his ass.
Right.
So one day, I'm guessing, bro ain't, damn, this shit hurt. What?
Nigga, why you out
Hey,
here
how the
with
fuck African do this shit? What? Damn. What? Bro, this nigga ain't know that I was in my room sleep. And he went his little white friends and shit, and they say nigga.
Oh.
Bro, like they didn't say like
Oh.
this nigga, but like it said nigga in the conversation. I'm like, bitch, I know you ain't said that shit on the slide.
I swear to God.
So then I was like, all right, bet, don't worry about it. So I told my nigga C4, I was like, hey bro, this nigga Roy, this nigga said nigga. He was like, hey bro, we gotta press him. I was like, all right, bro, I still gotta live with this nigga though. So like, let's not do it too bad. Let's just make sure that bro ass know, hey bro, you can't say nigga.
Right, we not on that,
Yeah, you
gang.
know what I'm saying? And then he was like, cause bro, this nigga his half brother was light skinned, but he was adopted.
Right.
So he was like, my half brother Derek doesn't care that I said, nigga, I'm not your half brother. What the fuck are you talking about? I don't give a fuck what Derek let you do. You know that shit around me.
Oh. What that say?
Ooh,
Die
that's
with
hard.
glory
Hey, nah, that's
or be
hard.
dead forever.
I'm gonna take this shit. That shit hard as fuck.
Hey, I'ma flick you up.
Yeah, please go, sir. Please go, sir.
Hey, what y'all think? He gonna fall?
Sir, what type of motorcycle is that?
Brother!
Excuse me, brother man.
Yeah!
Hello?
Hey!
Excuse me.
Yup.
I'm Jewish, brother.
He like two niggas.
Yeah, I
He
know
like
he
two.
What the fuck they walking up with me for?
Oh, God. That nigga like, look, he got the blicky on his side. He like, hold on. He like, the blicky. Nigga ain't got no blicky, nigga. Come on, dude. He gonna be like, you got a wristband?
You got a wristband?
Nah, you don't got no wristband. Can't ride it.
I just want to ask, what type of motorcycle is it? I just want to ask, what type of motorcycle?
It's a Kawasaki Z125. It's like a Kawasaki version of a Honda Rock.
What is that?
They're just little stunt bikes. I just ate absolute shit right here.
Did you really?
Yeah, so I'm trying to do like scrapes, like cold bar.
Oh,
And
damn,
I got it
that
back,
was cold.
and I slammed the rear brake.
My boy.
Oh shit, I see it.
Boy.
Damn, parkour.
That's up my.
Damn, I ain't gonna lie to you, Peggy. That's fucked up. I damn near, like, from over there, it looked like a mini motorcycle. I was gonna ask you if I could ride it, but this is a real motorcycle.
Yeah, no, she's got a clutch and everything.
Damn, it's a clutch for that? That's crazy.
5-speed.
So, like, you switch gears on the motorcycle? Damn, so it's not like
It's
an
got a
automatic.
regular clutch, just like any other vehicle.
Oh, wow, that's crazy. Damn, you learn something new every day. I didn't even know that motorcycles could do that. So it's fast as shit.
I mean, these things are like $4,000 brand new. They're cheap.
Damn. Did you have to add the scraper?
I welded that myself. I built that. But you can. They're like
That's
$300
tough.
because I hit it that hard. I just fucking grabbed the brake and just went over the handlebars.
You should be on Jackass.
You guys got that shit on video.
I'm about to say, bro, I see the boy's elbows. I'm like, God,
No, he a soldier.
Not the other one.
Purple Heart.
I tried again.
All right, go ahead, G. Hey, rockstar lifestyle, bitch, I might not make it. Oh, damn. You better hit that bitch, nigga. Hey, let's go, nigga.
Show me something.
Yeah.
No.
I'm too shooken up right now, man.
I was about to say, you look a little,
I ain't even.
yeah.
I ain't even
That shit
mad at
probably
you.
hurt,
You a
bro.
little nervous. Yeah.
It didn't really hurt. It was more of like the feeling because it was like that straight down. It just like catapults you forward. And the first thing I see is my tire right here. I was like, fuck.
Damn, it's like
Damn.
Yeah, it launched me forward.
Woo!
And then like I saw the bike coming at me and I was like, ah.
If it would have landed on you, it would have been way worse.
Yeah, but it's kind
no
of
kill.
light, so it wouldn't have been that bad. But still, like you've seen a tire right here,
It's
and
like,
you're like,
oh, shit.
fuck.
It kind of messes up with your
It's just sketchy as fuck. $80 for 1 year full coverage insurance. That's like
Damn!
yeah,
$80 for insurance is crazy.
for 1 year, and then
Damn.
it's like $6
Hey,
to
what's
fill
your name,
up,
bro?
Luke.
Luke, what
Yeah.
type of bike is this?
It's a
Good,
Kawasaki
I'm
Z125.
Hey,
So like
so you recommend it?
Oh hell yeah, bro.
Yes, sir.
full tank, how long would it last you?
You get about 200 miles to the tank. Yeah, bro.
I'm trying to get a motorcycle.
Nigga said
Dude, I'm telling you, bro, it'll
miles.
save you so
200
much
miles
money.
and for damn near
It'll save you so much money.
$6 to fill it up? The fuck?
Yeah.
Damn.
Fuck a suitcase. Bring a backpack and just buy some shit with it when I get the ground going.
Yes, sir.
Hey man, I appreciate you for that content
Alright,
and
bro.
shit though, bro.
Oh, bro, you guys take it easy. I'm up.
Don't bust your ass now. Yeah, yeah. Come on, nigga.
That nigga went out with a bang.
Yes, sir. Hey, that nigga did bust his ass though, I ain't gonna lie. I seen the aftermath. I was like, did he just fall? I was like, he ain't just fall.
You ain't seen him fall for real? Bro, I did not see that shit. All I seen was them scrapes. That nigga needs some peroxide.
No cap.
Hey, that's really why he got the fuck up out of here. That nigga said shit is crazy.
Oh, niggas out here going out sad. I swear to God.
Bro, niggas is getting drunk like this in nature. And nature is crazy. Yo.
Nigga, why is so many lighters though? Why is so many crack lighters, bro?
For real? Bro, crack lighters and Jameson. Bro, look at 40% alcohol, bro. Crack lighters and Jameson is crazy.
Hell the fuck no.
I know you play. I I know you lying. Cigarettes. Fucking cigarettes. Nature spit.
Oh,
Hey, bro.
fuck no.
Whoever this was, I know they was going through it.
Bro,
About
they
6
had
boxes,
them,
nigga.
they had them a night, bro.
They was having a bonfire with crack lighters,
Oh,
Jameson, and
man.
cigarettes.
No food.
No food. I don't see a bag of chips.
Hell nah, nigga.
Oh shit. I don't see no candy, nothing. That is
Bro.
crazy.